Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about 2 more problem-solving events, and this is video number 2 in the series of 3 videos, by the way. Now, before we get started, I want to talk about the website. Go to the website, look under every tab, it's paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look under all the tabs there. This whole website's for beginners. Look under the Paralegal Resources Hub tab and look for the playbook. Look also within the hub itself. There are documents in there and videos that you need to view, and the documents you can download, okay? Because most of the time they're PDFs. Also, the Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class, both launching next Thursday, September 1st. If you're interested in joining those classes, those are for beginners. This will empower you as a paralegal. The Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class is the bomb for learning how to do a killer cover letter or 2, and there are templates and 6 videos there to help you through every section of the cover letter. So understand that that's all there to help you, and there's a special bundle price under courses on the website for both classes. Now let's talk quickly about these 2 areas of problem solving. When we have a deadline looming, such as a brief to be filed or whatever, we mark that on the calendar, but we also remind the attorney starting about 2 weeks out. Maybe for some attorneys it's 3 or 4 weeks out, to give them a heads up, but it's on us to remind them. Don't forget to do this, otherwise it's not a good thing for you. This is part of what we do in our jobs, okay? We will remind them so that this event is not missed. Now, now that's a deadline that I'm talking about. The other thing is, if you file a document with the court and you messed up and you didn't proofread properly and there's a mistake in the title or in the body of the document, you've got to go talk to the attorney. Always go and confess and own up to it with the attorney. Don't try to hide it, because your reputation will be at stake. So be sure to face up to it and confess. All right? Because the alternative is not good, and you may lose your job over it. And you won't lose your job more than likely over one mistake, but you will build your reputation on honesty and great proofreading and paying attention to details, okay? So be sure to check out the website. Stay tuned for the next video tomorrow, and have a great day.